Welcome everyone to our next online Excel learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, I will explain you how to create a Roman number in lowercase in Excel. You can see column B, all the Roman number are in lowercase. To create it quickly, use Excel formula UNICHAR, then insert the row formula also and type this code A8560. Close the bracket twice. You will be getting this code and formula from the description box below to this video. After closing twice, hit the enter button, select the cell and drag it down. By this way, you can create Roman number in lowercase in Excel very fast. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.